नमस्कार, मैं हूं प्रोफेसर जेता और आप देख रहे हैं बुंदेलखंड एक्सप्रेस। यह वह एक्सप्रेस है जहां पर आप एक्सप्रेस की रफ्तार में खबरें देखते हैं। यह वह एक्सप्रेस है जहां पर एक्सप्रेस की रफ्तार में नई खबरों को नए अंदाज में आपके सामने पेश किया जाता है। यह वह एक्सप्रेस है जहां पर खबरें शोध के बाद, रिसर्च के बाद पेश की जाती है। ये वो एक्सप्रेस है जहां पर सिर्फ खबरें नहीं, ज्ञान भी आपको पेश किया जाता है ताकि आप अपने को समय समय पर अपडेट कर सकें। हमें देखते रहने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और इसी तरह आप हमारे चैनल्स पे सब्सक्राइब करें, हमें देखें ताकि हम आपके सामने नए नए कार्यक्रम हमेशा लेकर आ सकें। हर सप्ताह की तरह इस सप्ताह भी एक डिबेट, एक विषय, एक चर्चा का विषय। लेकिन ये चर्चा महत्वपूर्ण इसलिए है आज की चर्चा क्योंकि इसमें हम सब जुड़े हुए हैं, हमारा समाज जुड़ा हुआ है, विशेष रूप से छात्र और शिक्षक। परिवेश बदल रहा है, समय बदल रहा है, राजनीति बदल रही है, समाज बदल रहा है, शिक्षकों के रोल भी बदल रहे हैं, छात्रों का भी रोल बदल रहा है। इस बदलते हुए परिवेश में हम अपने शिक्षकों को अपने छात्रों के सम्मुख और छात्रों के विकास के लिए किस प्रकार से तैयार कर सके, दिस इज द टॉपिक। सो द टॉपिक इज रोल ऑफ टीचर्स and the role of teachers in a changing society. So in a changing society, we have a different role to play. So teachers must understand their role also because their role has grown a number of times. And they have to understand their role, and with that role, they have to play a very, very pertinent role in the life and the sphere of our society. So to discuss this, we have our team in which we have most of the students are there and the teacher, and as usual Manish. So we switch over to Manish for his first reaction on the topic.
Sir, I think the role of teacher is very important in this society, but I think that the question is not that what is the role of teacher, but the question is that how teacher is playing their role in their society, in their school or not. So there's an incident yesterday in Damoh, हिंडोरिया का सर ये मामला सामने आया है जिसमें सारे बालिकाओं ने, वहाँ पर पढ़ने वाली छात्राओं ने अपने स्कूल का गेट लगा दिया। वजह थी कि उनके टीचर लेट आते थे। पूरे टीचर, प्रिंसिपल सब गेट के बाहर खड़े और उन्होंने गेट बंद कर दिया। उन्होंने कहा हम अंदर नहीं आएंगे। तो कहीं ना कहीं सर दिस काइंड ऑफ इंसिडेंट्स शो दैट द टीचर इज नॉट प्लेइंग देयर रोल विद फुल ऑफ ऑनेस्टी. If they are not playing their role full of honesty, so how can they change the society? And I think that the teacher is really the maker of our society, the builder of our society. So I think that the role of teacher is very important. So I think they even sir nowadays we are seeing that the glamour of teacher is come out in this world. People are giving respect them. The real teacher, the honest teacher, the genuine teacher is like birth, like a god, and people are worshipping them, sir. So I think that teachers should also play their role with full of honesty, sir.
This is one major point which Manish has mentioned, and I would like to put this point in a different way. He says that it is not important to see the role of teachers. What is the role of teachers? We all know. But what is more important is what role they are playing today. तो उनका क्या योगदान नियमित रूप से है वो नहीं, लेकिन वो क्या कर रहे हैं. So what is more important? But this is a case of a one school. But generally we see that teachers are playing their role, and let's see how they are playing their role in a changing society. I'll take the reaction from Asma ji.
Yes, sir. So the role of teacher is the most important for a student. So because of they are always understand to student, they always support the student. So do they know how to make a career for a student, how to make progress to student. So we can say that teacher is the ambrosia for a student, which was given by God. So teacher always support to student, so they are always understand to student.
So what Ashma ji says is the role of a teacher is the role of ambrosia.
Yes.
In the life of the student. Means शिक्षक का रोल उस ईश्वर के प्रसाद के रूप में है जो स्टूडेंट्स को प्राप्त होता है. बहुत सही है. ये प्रसाद कैसा है और किस प्रकार से ग्रहण करना है, this is important. Again I'll go to Manish and take the reaction because the role of teacher is the role of ambrosia. एक ईश्वर के प्रसाद के रूप में. Yes, Manish.
Yeah, quite right, sir. I think that like we all is here and we understand that whatever we are, Whatever we are, different from other, we are cut above the rest because of our teacher. And sir, it is very important, and I think same thing happened with all students. If teacher is playing their role with full of honesty, so their students always remember them for all time. And I think if teachers is try to escape from their role, if teachers try to, doing dishonesty with their role, so somewhere or the other, it's worth criticizing for all time. Like sir, there's another news which I mentioned about one college that it is get top 10 rank in NEC process, but there's one headline that's less research work. So I think somewhere or the other that by hook and by crook, by full of hard work, we can get rank. But the real work of teacher is research. The real work of teacher is studying. Once he get knowledge, then he can provide knowledge for students. So I think that kind of role is playing by the teacher. So this kind of teacher is always in the memory of all students.
But here I would like to ask you, Manish, one thing which is very, very important, that when you talk of role of the teacher's role basically is to take the student into a higher stride. But at the same time, when you put lot of pressure on a teacher to be the career of everything, means he has to undergo the administrative work, he has to do all the clerical work, so he has so much of work that he does not have time to pay attention to his regular routine work, and that is what is classes. Now when you have his classes, he has to do something else, and if he does not do, then the action would be taken against him. So this is also very, very important, because 8 घंटे के समय में, 6 घंटे के समय में क्या क्या कर ले और कौन कौन सा काम कर ले, सब काम करना पड़ता है, साथ में स्टूडेंट को भी देखना पड़ता है. Yes, we'll take this reaction, but Khushi, how do you see the role of a teacher?
Sir, first of all, I want to say that what is the definition of teacher? Teachers means the person who brings you from darkness to light.
Right.
So mostly people thinks a person who teaches you, who teaches your subjects, they are the teacher, but it's totally wrong. Because since birth, first we get our mom as a teacher.
Right.
After that we get our teachers as our subject teacher and our class teacher.
Right.
And a person who teaches anything which is useful for us, that time that person plays the role of teacher.
Right. Very good.
If we see that in our past, sir, it's a small line that if teacher is Balwan, then Chela is Pahalwan.
Very good.
Because we see in our past that Arjun, Hanumanji, their teachers are superb. They teach well. So, and even the students have also learn very nicely. So it is a work of a student that what teachers told you, what teachers teach you, you have to understand it nicely.
But my question is, do you not think that days are gone? एकलव्य द्रोणाचार्य का वो समय और अर्जुन कृष्ण का वो समय शायद अभी बदलती हुई परिस्थितियों में कहीं फिट करता हुआ नजर आ रहा है?
Yes, definitely. I want to share one story with you. In Mahabharata, when Krishna ji is there, so Arjun and Duryodhan both have gone to meet with Krishna. So Krishna said that why you came here? So that Duryodhan said that to Krishna that I want your Narayani Sena. And Arjun said that I want you. So Arjun, sir, the role of teacher, that Arjun, because of Krishna he chose a teacher. So because of teacher, the whole Mahabharata is written by the Krishna.
But at the same time, Manish, what was that role जो कि starting में महाभारत होता है, तो उसके पहले कृष्ण को नहीं सुनते हैं ये लोग, क्योंकि वो है क्या, दुर्योधन को समझाने को, भीषण विध्वंस बचाने को भगवान हस्तिनापुर आए और पांडव का संदेश. सो दो न्याय अगर तो आधा दो, पर इसमें भी यदि कोई बाधा हो तो दे दो केवल 5 ग्राम रखो अपनी धरती. लेकिन वहां नहीं सुना उन्होंने. So there also a student did not listen to his teacher. Maybe that is. Hari, what is your view about the role of a teacher, or the exact role that the teacher is playing?
Sir, role of teachers is very important, sir, in our society and in the world, because sir, everything we learn from our teachers. Because sir, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara. Sir, तीनों लोग से में सर जो गुरु का रोल है सर, इट इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. बिकॉज सर फॉर एग्जांपल सर टीचर्स always sir teach students, and sir teacher is the only things who produce everything in the world, as example IAS and IPS, and sir, they serve the nation. And sir, a role of teacher is the most prominent things to serve a nation. If teachers will produce IAS and IPS, sir, he can do it.
But when you talk of the Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Mahesh, ये सिर्फ श्लोक है, ये वास्तव में इसे पालन नहीं किया जाता। शिक्षकों को उस रूप में नहीं ओहदा मिला, इज्जत मिली छात्रों द्वारा जो इन श्लोकों में कहा गया है। तो शायद इस कारण से उनमें सीखने में भी कहीं ना कहीं कमी आई है। Any other views on it? Yes.
Sir, we are not finding teacher like before like that. Before teacher has to be there, but now teacher are not there like that. Teacher are not honest about their work. Most of the teacher, we are not finding a good teacher like you everywhere.
बबली का ये कहना मुझे थोड़ा सा अजीब सा लग रहा है, या हो सकता है कि अपने आप में सही हो कि हमें अब उस प्रकार के शिक्षक नहीं मिलते जैसे मिला करते थे। तो कहीं मैंने पढ़ा ये भी है कि किसी ने अपने फेसबुक वॉल पे लिखा कि शिक्षक को उसकी छड़ी वापस लौटा दो, वो संस्कार वापस लौटा देगा। तो क्या छात्र भी उनको फॉलो करते हैं क्या? Do you follow only the fashion, or you follow the books, or you follow the teaching? So that is also a problem. Manish, शिक्षक को वो शिक्षक नहीं मिलते। What's your reaction?
I think, sir, it's true that somewhere or the other the restriction on teacher it's create a lot of problem. And sir, heavy work which you have mentioned earlier, that they have lot of work, they have lot of clerical work, they have lot of other work from government side, so they cannot fulfill their plate. But sir, one more thing I would like to mention here: how a teacher known as a teacher because of his teaching, not other work.
Right.
Like suppose I am a journalist.
Right.
I will not provide good news, if I will not create good news, if I will not show good news, so who can give me respect as a journalist?
Yes, true.
There's another part of journalism, that collecting revenue for channel. It is secondary part. If anybody can do only this, so he never considered as a good journalist. I know as a journalist because of news, not other thing. So same thing happened with teachers. That teachers know as a teacher because of their teaching. If teacher want to get respect, if teachers want to get name, fame and all things, so I think first of all he has
एक शिक्षक के लिए महत्वपूर्ण है अपने विषय का ज्ञान, और जिस दिन उसे अपने पास अपने विषय का ज्ञान हो जाता है और जिसमें आत्मविश्वास आ जाता है, कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है कि वो बच्चों को, और साथ में इस ज्ञान को वो समय समय पर बदलता भी है। So that is really very important, that a teacher must know his subject. If he knows his subject, he is 100% confident. And if he does not know his subject, he will not score any marks in society. That is true. We'll take reaction from Raj. Yes.
The role of teacher is very important in our life.
Right.
The role of teacher is curricular in our life.
Yeah.
Teacher prepare
Students.
and
If teacher prepares the students, do you think students are also prepared by teachers? क्या छात्र भी टीचर से तैयार होते हैं क्या?
I think students also prepare by teacher because.
Okay, so if a student is prepared by teacher, my question to you is: do you think a role of teacher is important in your life, Raj?
In my life, teacher is very important role because the teacher give knowledge and skill. All things are teacher give.
Raj, I want to ask you a question. When you go to a classroom and when a teacher teaches in the classroom, do you have faith in the teacher that he is teaching and he will do good to you?
I think all teachers is not good. 70-80% teacher are good.
Okay, this is what, Manish, your statement becomes important. This is what I wanted to get it from Raj, that all the teachers are not good.
So
That means, yes.
I want to say that a person who is teaching, he has also become a teacher with another teacher. So
Right.
if that teacher is brilliant, then the upcoming teacher will be brilliant.
Right, if a teacher is brilliant, he will produce brilliant teachers, brilliant students. Chanchay, what do you say about, because these students are very small students in the sense that school students, and they have recently come to colleges, so we take their views. Yes, Chanchay.
So I read one story and I want to share here. गुरु वही है जो जीना सिखा दे, आपसे आपकी आपसे आपकी
आपसे आपकी सारी जिंदगी की अच्छाइयां बता दे, कुछ इस प्रकार से।
तराज दे
आपके, ठीक है, राइट। सो गुरु वो है जो आपको आपसे जीना सिखा दे, आपके करियर को तराश दे। नाउ यहाँ पर जो महत्वपूर्ण चीज है वो ये है कि विषय नहीं, संपूर्ण ज्ञान। क्या आप शिक्षक को एक कंप्लीट पैकेज के रूप में देखते हो आज के बदलते परिवेश में? यस
Yes, sir. So I want to say a teacher has a very important role in our lives. Like sir, parents give us birth in this beautiful world, but teacher give birth to ourselves. How we are birthed, and they make us raise to riches. They give us a key for opening succeed point.
Okay,
And
so
they are
the
very
teacher
important.
basically, Ashma ji, do you want to add something to this discussion?
Yes, sir.
The
I
teacher
want to
is
say-
a key, he opens up his life.
Yes, sir, it's true, sir. I'm saying that it's not happen with all students. Means always teacher understand to student. Student also understand to teacher. How to teach them, how to make your career. So you also understand to our teacher.
Okay, now my next question is, and the question which I would like to ask to Manish first is, do you not think that there are many teachers who are not teachers yet teachers? Now you have more teachers outside the teaching institution rather than in the teaching institution. इतिहास जानने वाले शिक्षक के अलावा पूरा समाज इतिहास जानता है, पूरा समाज गणित जानता है। अब हर व्यक्ति एक शिक्षक है, हर व्यक्ति ज्ञान दे रहा है, हर व्यक्ति शिक्षा दे रहा है, हर व्यक्ति कोटेशन बता रहा है, हर व्यक्ति सफलता के मंत्र बता रहा है। और शायद किसी ने बिल्कुल सही कहा कि एक दुकान पे खड़े होकर जब उस दुकान वाले से बात करते हैं तो वो अर्थव्यवस्था के बारे में बात करता है, राजनीति के बारे में बात करता है, अर्थशास्त्र के बारे में बात करता है, इतिहास के बारे में बात करता है, लेकिन वो सिर्फ बात एक चीज की नहीं करता जिसका वो बिजनेस कर रहा है, उसे उसका ज्ञान नहीं है। So do you not think everybody has become a teacher now? सब टीचर हो गए हैं।
I think, sir, we cannot consider them as a teacher. They are just,
But they are playing role. They are playing role.
Sir,
आप
they-
फेसबुक पे पढ़ रहे हो तो आप वही इतिहास को पढ़ रहे हो, उन्हीं के द्वारा बताए हुए इतिहास को पढ़ाया जा रहा है। आप उन्हीं की दवाइयां भी फॉलो कर रहे हो, वही दवाइयां भी बता रहे हैं, वही उपचार भी बता रहे हैं।
If Sir Sachin Tendulkar follow any common man at how to play in the World Cup finals, so I think he will never win the World Cup, sir. That's the level is different, and those persons who are discussing about Sachin Tendulkar, they are different. So I think this is there doesn't no any combination of these all things. Teacher is always teachers because he is the expert of that subject. And those persons who is a common person who sit on the kiosk, who sit in the small hotels and they are giving their view, these persons are useless. There is nothing to concentrate these kind of things because it is really truth that वो एक कहावत है ना कि जब हाथी चले बाजार तो कुत्ते भौंके हजार. These kind of people is there, and I think if any person disturbed because of these kind of people, so he never become such a
Because
He never become
this is a common trend that everybody has become a teacher, but when you want a doctor, you basically ask first question, who is the best doctor for this,
Yes.
and then you go to the specialist. But with teacher you don't go. You go to any other person on a street and you take guidance from them.
So that-
तो हर व्यक्ति गाइडेंस दे रहा है, हर व्यक्ति बता रहा है कि शिक्षा क्या है, शिक्षा कैसी होनी चाहिए, शिक्षा कैसी थी, बल्कि कभी उन्होंने उस शिक्षा को प्राप्त नहीं किया, उन्होंने उस लेवल पे वो कभी गए नहीं, कभी उन्होंने पास नहीं किया या ग्रेजुएशन नहीं किया, लेकिन वो इतनी सारी जानकारियां हमें बांट रहे हैं, एक शिक्षक को भी वो ज्ञान दे रहे हैं।
But sir, everyone will not become a teacher because teacher is a very prominent role in our life. Teacher who teach you and who show you window to the world, and nobody.
यही इस डिस्कशन के माध्यम से क्या नहीं कहा जा सकता है कि सर्वप्रथम अपने शिक्षक को पहचाने। It is important to identify a teacher, like you have identified Sachin Tendulkar in your life as a cricketer, as a guide. You have identified some hero in your life. You have to identify a real teacher first. So it's very very important for समाज, for students, लोगों के लिए पहले वो शिक्षक को पहचाने and then start taking guidance or consultancies. You should not go to anybody. Yes, Rajiv. what-
Sir, I think Sir said Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is not playing World Cup. His coach is how to play, how to
Exactly.
drive and
Right.
His Papuri pupil.
हाँ.
They say how to knowledge.
to even Sachin Tendulkar, he has a coach to training. This is very important what Raj says कि सचिन तेंदुलकर यूं ना बन गए, उन्हें भी कोई द्रोणाचार्य मिला होगा या कोई भी ऐसा अर्जुन मिला, आई एम सॉरी कृष्ण मिले होंगे जिन्होंने गाइड किया होगा और सचिन को सचिन बनाया।
बिल्कुल सर।
तो कहीं ना कहीं वो
सचिन
रोल है।
तेंदुलकर का कोच अगर बताए कि उसको कैसे ड्राइव करना है, ये तो ठीक बात है, लेकिन एक चाय की दुकान पर खड़ा हुआ बेवकूफ से सिखाए कि ये ड्राइव नहीं मानना था, वो ड्राइव मानना था, तो सर ये कहीं ना कहीं एक बहुत बड़ी, ये कहना चाहिए हंसी की बात है। कहीं ना कहीं no one, all person cannot become a teacher. Teacher is always a teacher.
person that how your mentality is there, that you are
So, but then this is a message and a request for all those people. सभी लोगों के लिए एक मैसेज और ये रिक्वेस्ट भी है कि कृपया वही ज्ञान दें जो ज्ञान उन्हें है, कहीं से पढ़ के कहीं से लिख कर वो ज्ञान ना दें। अभी एक छोटे से एग्जाम्पल बिना नाम कोट किए हुए, एक बहुत बड़े महोदय ने अपने किसी फेसबुक वॉल पे कुछ लिखा और वो बहुत सीनियर विश्वविद्यालय के नामी व्यक्ति हैं, और मैंने उनको फोन करके उनको बताया कि आपने इस तरह से कैसे फॉरवर्डेड मैसेज भेज दिया, जबकि क्या आपने इस विषय को पढ़ा है क्या? आप किसी साइंस के विषय के हैं और आप शेयर कर रहे हैं कुछ ऐसी जानकारी जो आपके विषय से नहीं है, शायद आपने पढ़ा भी नहीं। तो उन्होंने माफी मांगी कि नहीं मैंने फॉलो। इट्स अ ग्रेट रोल, आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, ये आपका दायित्व है कि आप जो बोल रहे हैं उस पे आपका अधिकार होना चाहिए, उस पे आपका ज्ञान होना चाहिए। यू शुड नॉट स्टार्ट स्प्रेडिंग नॉलेज एवरीवेयर एवरीथिंग। सो दैट इज ऑल्सो, यदि मैं वो ज्ञान देने लगूंगा छात्रों को जो मुझे स्वयं नहीं है, तो मैं कहीं छात्रों को भटका रहा हूं। इज इट नॉट ट्रू?
It's true, sir.
So I cannot become a reporter. I have seen बहुत सारे ऐसे रिपोर्टर्स को जो ऑन स्पॉट बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं और इमीडिएटली बोलते हैं, हम नहीं बोल सकते। I cannot speak, so I should not become a reporter, या मुझे उस फील्ड में इंटरफेयर नहीं करना चाहिए। So let it be, एक डॉक्टर के पास जाके हम सलाह ना दें कि हमें क्या दवा आप दो। So this is what is important. So what is your final take? Like, you know, how do you see a teacher in your life? आप अपने जीवन में शिक्षक को कैसा शिक्षक देखना चाहते हो? Bubbly, you start from here.
So I want to get teacher like my parents, and like sir you, because you always give us a path to go in the notch post.
Okay, right. What type of teacher do you
Sir,
see?
I think teacher play a
Crucial role in your life.
in our life. Teacher prepare younger generation to knowledge to face the
Challenges of
challenges
life.
and
True. Ashma ji, what type of teacher do you
So I want to a role of teacher in my life who is understand to all student and who is teach well. So I want to this type.
So
of
who understands the students and who teaches well? What role do you see, Chanchal, in your life of a teacher?
I see my teacher is my God. And
Okay. Do you not think it is over exaggeration? हम टीचर में भगवान देखने लगे। भगवान का स्थान बहुत ऊंचा स्थान होता है, माँ बाप का स्थान बहुत ऊंचा स्थान होता है, उसके बाद शिक्षक का स्थान होता है। शिक्षक को कभी ईश्वर के रूप में ना लें, शिक्षक को शिक्षक के रूप में ही रहने दें। मेरे ख्याल से ये बहुत अच्छा रोल होगा। Yes.
Sir, whatever we are here, sir, because of teacher, because of you, sir, we are able to speak in English and we are attending sir this debate, sir. That your type of teachers we want.
Okay, right. Yes.
I think sir teacher will teach well,
Mhm.
but it's our duty that how we are learning.
Very
So
true.
teacher
Very true.
will make us numero uno when we will make us effect.
Right, right. Teacher will make us numero uno, number one. लेकिन कब? जब हम स्वयं सीखने की कोशिश करें। मुझे लगता है कि मैं इससे काफी ताल्लुकात रखता हूँ ऐसे स्टेटमेंट से कि हम भी सीखने को तैयार हैं। It is a two-way process. हम रिस्पॉन्ड करें। For final take from Manish sir on the topic of role of teachers.
सर वो कहावत है कि आप खुदा तो नहीं हो लेकिन खुदा से कम भी नहीं। So I think we can take it like that we should not consider teacher as a god, but I think somewhere or the other teacher is on the behalf of God in this world, because sir students is like a fragile mud, एक गीली मिट्टी की तरह होते हैं और कहीं ना कहीं उस मिट्टी को जो आकार है वो एक शिक्षक देता है, वही एक घड़ा बन जाता है, वही एक अनुपयोगी चीज बन जाती है। तो कहीं ना कहीं एक सुंदर और अच्छा घड़ा बनाने में टीचर्स का बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहता है, और इस बात को समझना चाहिए, हर शिक्षक को समझना चाहिए कि ईश्वर ने अगर आपको ये काम दिया है तो कोई वजह से दिया होगा। कहीं ना कहीं पूरी ईमानदारी के साथ, पूरी तन्मयता के साथ वो काम को निभाना चाहिए, क्योंकि आपके हाथ में वाकई में इस देश का भविष्य होता है।
शिक्षक का जो रोल है जीवन में, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो प्राचीन काल का जो रोल है वो वापस लौट के आ गया है। पहले शिक्षक विषय वस्तु से संबंधित होते थे, विषय के शिक्षक होते थे, लेकिन अब लगता है कि उनका रोल बहुत एनलार्ज हो गया है। जीवन शैली में प्रवेश करके किसी के जीवन को बदलने की कोशिश करना, बेहतर करने की कोशिश करना, बदलते हुए माहौल में वो बच्चा फिट कर सके, अपने को स्थायी रूप से समाज से जोड़ सके, ये बहुत बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण रोल है। तो एक शिक्षक के लिए एक अच्छे स्टूडेंट को अच्छा बनाना बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, लेकिन साथ में एक वैसे स्टूडेंट को जो समाज के मेन धारा से अलग हट गए हैं, दूर हो गए हैं, उनको भी शामिल करना, मेन स्ट्रीम में लाना और जीवन की उस ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाना, ये बहुत बड़ा रोल है। और इस रोल को समझने के लिए शिक्षक को स्वयं अध्ययन करना पड़ेगा। सो दिस इज अ रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल द टीचर्स दैट डोंट थ्रो अवे योर बुक्स, बी अपडेटेड, and this is very, very important in your life. So this is where we had the discussion today from Bundelkhand Express. We'll have another discussion another week. We'll meet you. Till then, goodbye and thank you.